Many people want to buy land, but they don't know who to trust, and that's why I'm here. Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Buea, your trusted real estate consultant here in the city of Buea. I help you invest on land safely and avoid costly mistakes. If you are planning to invest on land here in Cameroon, especially in the city of Buea, then I'm here to guide you. I help investors buy land safely without stress or problems. Let me show you my process. Step 1, land sourcing. Step 2, land inspection. I always go for land inspection almost every time. I make sure to inspect every land before recommending it for my clients. Step 3, document verification. Step 4, ownership confirmation. Step 5, safe payment process. I make sure you invest your hard-earned money safely. And finally, step 6, documentation. My goal is to help investors buy land safely without stress or being scammed. Contact me now or send me a message today via the numbers on your screen, and I will help you start your land banking journey step by step and avoiding costly mistakes or falling into scam. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me for more real estate tips. I remain Buea, your trusted real estate consultant here in the city of Buea, and see you on the next one.